Our running chapter is 7 subtraction. Subtraction. In our previous class, we have solved some subtraction from textbook, that is page number 65. Today we are going to solve some more problems from textbook, page number 66. Page number 66. Now, subtract the number using the bundles of 6 and lose 6. For this problem, we can do directly, no problem. Now, A1 48 minus 26. 48 minus 26. First we write this value 1, 10. Now subtraction on 1. 1. 8 minus 6. 6 is smaller than 8. Then we subtract 6 from 8. 8 means draw 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, we remove 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From 8 lines, we remove 6 lines. How many lines are there here? 1, 2. 8 minus 6 is equal to this answer to write in 1. 8 minus 2. Now subtraction on 10. Subtraction on 10. The digits are 4 and 2 in 10th place. 4 and 2. 4 minus 2. There 2 is there smaller than 4. 2 subtracting from 4. 4 means 1, 2, 3, 4. From 4, we remove 2. Means we cut 2 lines. 1, 2. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. After cutting 2 lines from 4 lines, there are 2 lines. 4 minus 2, 2. This answer to write in 10th place. Answer is 22. 48 minus 26 is equal to 22. See, given numbers are 48 and 26. Subtraction of 48 minus 26 is equal to 22. This is the answer for A. Now B1. 59 minus 24. 59 minus 24. It means 59 subtracting from 24. Let's now write the place values. 1, 10. 1, 10. The digits are 9 and 4 in one place. 9, 4. Means 9 minus 4. It means 4 is subtracting from 9. Here 4 is a smaller number. Then subtraction is 9. Draw 9 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From 9, we subtract 4. Means cut 4 lines from 9 lines. After cutting 4 lines, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lines are there. 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. This answer 5 write in 1st place. Now 10. Subtracting on 10. The digits are 5 and 2 from 10th place. 5 and 2 means 5 minus 2. Here 2 is subtracting from 5. 2 is subtracting from 5. Means draw 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From 5 is subtracting 2 lines. 1, 2. 5 minus 2 is equal to 1, 2, 3. After cutting 2 lines from 5 lines, there are 3 lines. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. This answer 3 right in 10th place. Yes, 59 minus 24. 59 minus 24 is equal to 35. Okay, this is a B1. 59 minus 24 is equal to 35. B1. Next, question C. C question. 68 minus 20. 68 minus 20. Given numbers are 68 and 20. For given numbers, we write that place values 1, 9, 10. First, we do subtraction on 1. The digits are 8 and 0 in 1 place. 0 is subtracting from 8. 8 minus 0. 8 minus 0, 8. Now, subtracting on 10. Subtracting on 10. The digits are 6 and 2 from 10th place. 6 minus 2. Here 2 is smaller than 6. Now we subtracting 2 from 6. We take 2 from 6. 6 means draw 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From 6, we remove 2 lines. 1, 2. After removing 2 lines, there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines are there. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. This answer 4 right in 10th place. 48. 4, 8, 48. 68 minus 20. 68 minus 20 is equal to 48. This is a question C. Now question D. 99 minus 69. 99 minus 69. 99 minus 69. 69 subtracting from 99. 69 subtracting from 99. Write that place value. 1, 10. Now subtracting on 1. The digits are 9 and 9 from 1 place. 9 minus 9. Subtracting of same digits or same number, we get 0. 9 minus 9, 0. This answer 0 right in 1st place. Now subtracting on 10. Subtracting on 10. In 10, the digits are 9 and 6. 9 and 6. 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6. Here 6 is a smaller than 9. Then 6 is subtracting from 9. Draw 9 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From 9, we remove 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 lines removing from 9 lines. After removing 6 lines from 9 lines, there are 1, 2, 3. 3 lines are there. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. This answer 3 right in 10th place. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. 3, 0, 30. 99 minus 69. 99 minus 69 is equal to 30. This is the answer for D. Now we see E1. Yes. Page number 66. We have finished A, B, C, D. Now E1. 29 minus 5. 29 minus 5. First of all, we write the place values 1 and 10. 29 minus 5 means 5 is subtracting from 29. Now subtracting on 1. 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5. 5 is subtracting from 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From 9, we remove 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After removing 5 lines, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. This answer 4 right in ones place. Now subtracting on 10. In 10, only digit 2 is there. Directly write 2 here. 24. 29 minus 5 is equal to 24. Now F1. 69 minus 26. 69 minus 26. Write the place values 1 and 10. Here 26 subtracting from 69. Now subtraction on 1. Subtraction on 1. The digits 9 and 6 from 1. 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6. 6 is sub. Means draw 9 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From 9 we remove 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is subtracting from 9. After removing 6 lines, from 9 lines, there are 1, 2, 3, 3 lines. 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. 9 minus 6 equal to 3. This answer 3 right in ones place. Now subtracting on 10. The digit from 10, 6 and 2. Means 6 minus 2. Here 2 is smaller than 6. Then 2 is subtracting from 6. Means we take 2 from 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From 6 we remove 2 lines. 1, 2. After removing 2 lines, there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. 4 this answer right in 10. 69 minus 26 is equal to 69 minus 26 is equal to 43. Now question G1. G question. Question G. 74, 34. 74 minus 34. 34. It means 34 subtracting from 74. First we write the place value 1, 10. Now subtracting on 1. The digits are 4 and 4 from 1. 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4. The subtraction of same numbers or the subtraction of same digits, we get 0. 4 minus 4 equals 0. 0. This answer writing 1. 4 minus 4 equals 0. Now, subtraction on 10. The digits are 7 and 3. 7 and 3 from 10. 7 minus 3. It means 3 is subtracting from 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From 7, we remove 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. Removing 3 lines, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. This answer 4 writing 10. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. 40. 40 means 40. 74 minus 34 is equal to 40. Now, question H1. $85 minus 30. 85 minus 30. It means 30 is subtracting from 85. Here 85 is bigger than 30. Then subtract exists. Now write the place values 1 and 10. Now subtracting on, the digits are 5 0 from 1's place. 5 minus 0. From the 5 we subtracting 0. Draw 5 lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0 lines means there is no line. We should not cut any line. Out of 5, 5 lines are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. This answer right in 1's place. Next, subtracting on 10. The digits are 8 and 3 from 10. 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3. Here 3 is a smaller than 8. 3 removing from 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From 8 we remove 3. 1, 2, 3. After removing 3 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lines are there. 8 minus 3 equal to 5. This answer 5 right in 10th place. 5, 55. 85 minus 30 is equal to 55. 80 minus 30 is equal to 55. Now question, I question. Question I. 66 minus 23. 66 minus 23. Other place values 1 and 10. Here 66 minus 23. It means 23 is subtracting from 66. Here 66 is greater than 23. Now subtracting on 1, the digit from 1's place 6 and 3 means 6 minus 3. It means 3 is subtracting from 6. 3 is subtracting from 6. It means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From 6 we remove 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. After removing 3 lines, there are 3 lines. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Answer is 3. This answer is right in 1's place. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Now 10. 10. 6 minus 2. The digit from 10 are 6 minus 2. It means 2 is subtracting from 6. 2 is subtracting from 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From 6 we remove 2 lines. After removing 2 lines from 6 lines, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. 6 minus 4 is 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. This answer 4 write in 10. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. After subtracting 66 minus 23, answer is 43. 66 minus 23 is equal to 43. Now question J1. Yes, page number 66, question J1. Question J1, 97 minus 41. 97 minus 41. It means 41 is subtracting from 97. First we have the place values 1 and 10. Now subtracting on 1. Subtracting on 1, the digit from 1 place 7 and 1 means 7 minus 1. From 7 minus 1, from 7 we remove 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From 7 we remove 1. After removing 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After removing 1 line from 7 lines, the answer is 6. This answer 6 at in 1 place. Now subtracting on 10. Subtracting on 10. The digits are in 10th place 9, 4. 9, 4. Means 9 minus 4. 4 is subtracting from 9. Here 4 is smaller than 9. Then subtraction exists. Subtraction happens from bigger number to small number. Now draw 9 lines. After 9 lines, we remove 4. Why 4 is subtracting from 9? We remove 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. After removing 4 lines from 9, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lines are there. 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. This answer 5 right in 10th place. 5 and 6, 56. 97 minus 41 is equal to 56. Okay, children, today we have finished 10 problems. That is page number 66, question number 2. There are more 5 problems are there in question number 2. If you have textbook along with you, do this problem KLMNO problem from page number 66 in math textbook, question number 2. KLMNO problem you will solve in textbook. This is a small homework for you. Dear children, today homework in our math, page number 66, question number 2. Homework problems are K, L, M, N, O. If you have textbook, you try this problem in our textbook. This is a small homework for you children. In our next class, we will solve remaining problems from textbook, math textbook, that is page number 66. Okay children, goodbye to everyone.